Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to DM someone on X or Twitter. First of all, you can open the X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply open the person's profile that you want to send a message. I can select this person profile. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. You can see the messages icon here if it is available. If this option is not available, the other person's is not enable the messages section in his profile, and if the person is enabled the messages for you, you can just simply type a message and send it to the person. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes up browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.